which shows the chase, which shows the son actually following Varnika's car. Where is the son?
See, the point is that the son is there cooperating with the police. Who's saying that the son is not cooperating with the police? Number one. Number two, as
cooperating
BJP
how?
president,
Cooperating how? How is he cooperating, Raman?
He's cooperating. Whenever the police is calling him, he's there. As the police said that the accused is not cooperating with us, as the police claimed it.
The police does not even believe he's the accused. That's the problem. This is the same police. And Brinda, come in here. Raman Malik says, why are you bothered about the son? The son is cooperating with the police. Is this the way the son should be cooperating, Brinda?
You want a media trial for him? Or you want actual trial for him?
One second, Raman Malik. Before you cry that, famous line of yours, ad nauseum media trial, it doesn't work. The point is your police doesn't wake up. It's your police which essentially said yesterday that there might not be a CCTV footage. How does that footage appear today, Raman Malik?
Absconding. Today you are saying where is the son, when it is very categorically stated by Mr. Barala that no pressure of any sort is being exerted or would be exerted. If the point is that if he had to do something, the case would not have been registered like in Sunanda Pushkar's case, or for that matter like Chand Mohammed or Fiza case, or for that matter Mr. Rathor's case.
No, Raman, the point is you're not doing a favor by registering a case, number one. And number two, do not forget how the police did that flip-flop. Brinda, would you even buy the kind of nuance that Raman Malik is trying to put out? He's obviously wanting to say, let's give the police a pat on the back. Why? Because they were misleading us when it comes to this CCTV footage, Brinda. But today there is that clinching evidence. The reason why today the father has stepped out.
You're absolutely right. There is no need for us to give any kind of a pat to the police, because the police in the first place did not do what they were supposed to do. And neither should we be grateful to Subhash Barna for making all these statements, which is absolutely lip service. Because if he was really in line with the tenets of his BJP party's manifesto, he should have made the statement on day one. And he should not have trolled this girl on the social media. He should have extended all possible support.
Exactly.
That be there and help the police give the statement. Instead, they went about justifying and giving explanations as to what was wrong and what was right, and actually maligning the character of the victim survivor. And today you give lip service and say that we have to now look up to this person. We are asking you, your BJP statement, Prime Minister's statement is Beti Bachao. Are you standing by that principle? Is that the ethos that you work on? That is the challenge. And what the police are doing is their
Brinda,
job.
let's take it to Raman Malik. Raman, is your state actually still wanting to say Beti Bachao? If you have a Subhash Barala who comes out and says Varnika is like my daughter, why is he not fighting for Varnika? Why is he not getting the son here?
Or you want him to be present with the police
Malik, are you there with
as
us?
and when the police requires him? What is this lady who was there, Brinda, wanting? Have you ever seen the same brigade asking what had happened in Amethi? Did they went ahead and ask what happened with Sunanda?
Raman Malik, that's the real problem. Do not get politics into this. No, I will not let you even begin that. No. Raman Malik, this is not what Subhash Barala was talking about. He says Varnika is like my daughter. So why should he even be comparing anyone with Varnika right now, Raman? Let's come to the facts. Now, there is a CCTV footage that Republic has accessed, Raman Malik, and that shows Varnika's car there being chased by Subhash Barala's son. Where is the son? That is a simple question we ask you.
This president hasn't only been able to set by BJP government here today. What happened in those cases when Mr. Rathor was there, Ruchika Gudara case? It was the bureaucracy.
But you said you are different. Raman Malik, the BJP said the BJP is different. How are you different?
When it was Mr. Tharoor, it was the entire UPA. When it was Chand Mohammed and Fiza, it was the Congress. I would
Raman
like to
Malik, the
understand,
story
in this
here
case,
is not
everybody
about
has-
anyone, but the story is about this VIP brat. Where is the son? That is the only question I ask you again and again.
There was another VIP son in Amethi who's missing, whose entire fiasco went missing.
Raman Malik, that's the real problem, no? You said you are different. Why are you obfuscating that straight question? Where is the son?
Where is the son? Please ask police if he's not cooperating. If he's cooperating, then what is the problem? If he's cooperating...
How is he cooperating? Sitting, where is he cooperating? Why should he not be made available before the police? The father comes out, the father says that Varnika is like my daughter. He should be standing along with his son.
Why should he be standing along with his son? The party president has come forward and said,
Because he was chasing
not the father
Varnika.
of the accused.
Raman Malik,
Party
do you not
president has come
see
forward and said,
what
not
the son
not
really
the
has
accused
done?
father.
No, you see nothing wrong in that chase sequence. In fact, I'll ask my producers to, play out a bit of that sequence, Raman Malik, just in case you've missed that, breaking reportage by all our colleagues, because that is a chase sequence. And remember, this is just one of the sequence, Raman Malik, where you see the son's car chasing Varnika's car. Why was he chasing Varnika?
What are you going to do then? There are going to be multiple facts coming
What do
out.
you mean by what you can do then? Why was the son chasing Varnika?
See, that has to be answered. That has to be answered by investigation, not by
So
BJP,
who will answer if
but
the
by
son does
police,
not come
because
forward,
it
Raman
is a
Malik? That's what
matter
I
of
asked you.
police investigation
That the son
now.
should be out. He should speak. He should be speaking to everyone. He should speak to the
Why
police.
should he be
The
speaking
police
to
should go
everyone?
after him. Where
It
is
his
he?
choice whether he wants to speak or not. But if he's not speaking to the police, yes,
He's
a
an
culprit.
accused, Raman Malik.